Okay, this today I'm gonna make a packaging review sort of. This is a Nintendo DS game. It's Quantum of Solace for the Nintendo DS side. So when you open it, here you have the cartridge, and here you have the instruction booklet. Now, um, the booklet is really nice and it's with color. Not exactly it's in color, but the picture is black and white. So it's like in black and white, but it's color. Here is the official Activision hints, tips, and cheats line. You call them cheats. Here is a place where to put notes and that stuff. Now I'm gonna show you the packaging of here. Here is the Bond. I will have a review of this soon. Here is the Nintendo DS logo, and here is the name 16 plus Activision, and then and here are some pictures of the game. Okay, see you next time. Thanks for watching and subscribe.